Most men think that formal wear is all about wearing the same suit again and again. Well, that's really not the case. Formal wear is all about looking sharp, feeling comfortable, and looking effortlessly confident. Today, I'm going to show you 3 outfits that will make you look expensive without overdoing it. Whether you're attending a wedding, an office meeting, or that date that you have been waiting for. So let's go ahead. Hi, this is Swapnil and welcome back to the Classic Dandy, where I bring timeless menswear to the modern gentleman. If you love to dress sharp and stand out of the crowd with class, well, subscribe to my channel and keep watching this video till the end. So let's jump into it. If you're planning to make a statement in your office or in a meeting, well, there's nothing better than a grey suit. Whether you go for a charcoal grey or a medium grey like this, grey is perhaps the best color for official purposes. It's better than navy and it's way better than a black suit. Good thing about grey suit is that it suits almost all the skin tones. Here I have kept things interesting with some beautiful accessories, a really nice pocket square and a maroon tie with pink stripes. Gives a dash of color and keeps things interesting. On my wrist I have an Orient Bambino. The brown strap of the watch catches the brown color in my shoes as well later on. Gentlemen, I have skipped the belt for this particular suit, and this suit is cut close to my body. It's slim. For my shoes, I have chosen to go for some Chelsea boots in medium brown color. If you want, you can go for your black Oxfords as well, but brown just does justice to this particular suit. Dressing up formal with a modern twist. Gentlemen, well, in current times, you do not really have to wear a tie every time you wear a suit. Here, I have skipped the suit and I have skipped the tie altogether. Inside, I'm wearing this lovely cream color knit polo. Over the top, I'm wearing this beautiful linen and hemp blend sport coat in this lovely forest green color. Now, forest green color goes well with my skin tone. If you want, you can go for navy or brown as well. On my wrist, I'm wearing a steel bracelet watch with a grey dial. Now, this particular combination is great for casual meetings as well. For my trousers, I have chosen to wear these lovely pleated pants in cream color again. For my shoes, I have chosen to wear some chocolate brown tassel loafers. If you wish, you can go for the Chelsea boots from the last look as well. This particular outfit is great if you are transitioning from work to party as well. A double breast suit jacket or a double breast sport coat is a great way to add visual interest to an otherwise single breasted suit, which can be monotonous for few. Gentlemen, here I'm wearing this lovely light grey suit jacket with dog tooth pattern. Instead of going for a conventional button up shirt, I have gone for an OCBD Oxford cloth button down shirt. As you can see, this particular outfit is dressy enough if you're planning to go for a dinner or a lunch after your work. For my trousers, I have kept things simple again. I'm wearing some navy blue pleated trousers. For my shoes, I have chosen to go for chocolate brown tassel loafers. Now, gentlemen, just a piece of advice. If you're going to wear such a dressy outfit in office settings especially, make sure to go for dressy shoes. Do not wear sneakers as you may spoil the outfit. So those were my top 3 formal outfits for this year. Refined, versatile and easy to recreate. Which one was your favorite? The modern classic the smart and relaxed, or the evening sophisticate? Do drop in your comments and let me know. If you like the content of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more timeless styles and spread the word. For daily menswear inspiration, do check out my Instagram handle and follow. Until next time, thanks for watching.